Welcome back guys. My name is Aziz from SoftAsia Tech and today I will be showing you the top 5 best WooCommerce themes. Now these top 5 WordPress themes don't necessarily come in a specific order because I realize everyone out there has their own preference and style of what they want on their e-commerce store. But this is my personal preference of WooCommerce themes. Now make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It took me a long time to make this video longer than I thought actually. But with that said, let's go ahead and start the video. First up, Shoptimizer theme. The Shoptimizer theme is pretty hard to find because it's not located on the theme forest and it also not located on the WordPress repository. This theme has its own website and is not part of any marketplace. However, the theme is actually quite promising. One drawback is the pricing. The Shoptimizer has a pretty straightforward pricing plan of $49 per year. However, it's a little confusing, but you will have to activate and deactivate it to receive updates for the domain, and you can learn more about their pricing and the domain usage on their website. Next up, Kadence. Another good free option for your e-commerce website is definitely Kadence. The backend of Kadence displays your theme customizer in the backend where you can access specific elements. Kadence also does offer starter templates, but there are only 2 templates for e-commerce shops. The theme customizer for this shop page is pretty diverse and offer a good range of options. And there are also advanced reviews, size charts, extra description, product brands, and a checkout manager. Next, let's talk about pricing. If you do want the premium version of Kadence and the Woo feature, which is a separate plugin, you will need to purchase the membership of the Kadence theme lifetime plan. In my opinion, it is a little overpriced. Next, Woostify. Woostify is another free e-commerce theme that actually has some unique features unlike any other WordPress theme. On this entire list, the backend for Woostify is pretty limited in the free version and you will only be allowed to import starter templates. The rest of the features are strictly for the pro version. The free version has 2 starter templates to choose from and the pro version offers 15. The pricing for this theme is pretty fair, where you can get the agency plan on unlimited website for $129. On number 4 is Neve theme. The Neve theme is a basic free theme that offers basic WooCommerce features for your e-commerce website. The Neve theme also comes with free starter e-commerce samples to use at your disposal. If you want a simple e-commerce website, I think the free version will do just fine. Yet the pro version is where the Neve theme shines. Next, let's talk about pricing. The only drawback is if you want the lifetime plan with the WooCommerce booster and premium starter sites, you will have to purchase the business plan. Next up, Porto. The Porto theme has always been a widely popular e-commerce theme over on ThemeForest. Upon activating Porto, you have a few backend options where you can access theme options and set up a wizard, a speed optimization tool, and your theme builder. The demos for Porto theme are actually really nicely done and I really do like the style of these themes. Don't forget, Porto also has a library of templates. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it helped you guys make a decision on what theme to use for your e-commerce website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any question about these themes and make sure to like this video, and until then I will see you in the next video. Take care.